Hey everyone! Welcome back to StepSolve, where we break down engineering and math problems step by step. Today, we are solving a classic statics problem, finding the reactions and internal forces in an A-frame with a horizontal tie. Let's dive right in. The base A is 9 meters wide. Each leg makes a 60-degree angle with the base. At the top joint, C, a 400 Newton force acts 30 degrees below the horizontal toward the left. Let's find the height. H equals 4.5 divided by tangent of 30 degrees, which gives 7.79 meter. S. Sub y equals 400 times sine of 30 degrees equals 200 newtons downward. We'll use those in our equilibrium equation. Times 346.4 minus 4.5 times 200 equals 0. Solve for R sub E equals 400 newtons upward. Now apply force balance. Sigma F sub x equals 0 gives R sub x equals negative 346.4 newtons to the left. Sigma F sub y equals 0 gives R sub y equals negative 200 newtons downward. Combine them to get the resultant at AR sub equals the square root of 346.4 squared plus 200 squared equals 400 newtons, acting along the left leg. To the left. Take moments about C. 400 times 4.5 minus open parenthesis 7.79 minus 1.9 close parenthesis times R sub D equals 0. That gives R sub D equals 305.4 newtons. Now force balance. Sigma F sub x equals 0, R sub C x equals 305.4 newtons to the right. Sigma F sub y equals 0, R sub C y equals negative 400 newtons downward. So the tie is in tension, pulling the legs together. For the left leg, at A, R sub x equals negative 346.4, and R sub y equals negative 200. At B, the tie pulls to the right with 305.4 newtons. Apply equilibrium. Sigma F sub x equals 0, R sub C x equals 41 newtons to the right. Sigma F sub y equals 0, R sub C y equals 200 newtons upward. That's the internal reaction at C from the left leg. Let's check equilibrium at the top joint C. Add up the x components. 41 plus 305.4 minus 346.4 equals 0. Add up the y components. 200 minus 400 minus 200 equals 0. Everything balances perfectly. Final results. R sub A equals 400 newtons down and to the left. R sub E equals 400 newtons up and to the right. Tie force R sub D equals 305.4 newtons in tension. At joint C, right leg force equals 305.4 right, 400 down. Left leg force equals 41 right, 200 up. Here's what to remember. 1. Start with the entire frame to find support reactions. 2. Isolate each member to determine internal forces. 3. Always verify equilibrium at the joints. That's how you solve an A-frame with a tie, clean, logical, and step-by-step. Thanks for watching StepSolve. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment your next engineering problem. See you in the next video.